Starting your first automated email campaign might sound technical, but with AI Scale Stack, it's actually simple. The beauty of this system is that it's built to remove the overwhelm most beginners face. Instead of spending hours writing emails, figuring out what to say, or stressing over designs, AI Scale Stack does the heavy lifting for you. Here's how it works. The platform gives you done-for-you campaigns that are already designed to engage and convert. The built-in AI tools automatically generate emails that sound natural, helpful, and persuasive, even if you've never written a single marketing email in your life. You simply choose the focus of your campaign, and AI Scale Stack handles the rest from the writing to the automation. This means your business can stay active 24/7 even while you're sleeping because your emails are going out consistently, building trust, and turning readers into customers. It's like having a virtual assistant running your marketing on autopilot. And here's the best part, AI Scale Stack comes with a money back guarantee. So you can test it out with zero risk and see how quickly you can launch your first campaign. If you're ready to stop overthinking and finally get your first automated email campaign live, sign up today through my link in the description and let AI Scale Stack get to work for you.